about to hit the tail of the dragon. Hiro's gonna slay the dragon here. And they should make a special roll, right, Hiro? Make a special sushi roll for this occasion. I think so. The tail of the dragon sushi roll. Look at this. It pulled over. Yeah, you're doing about 125 miles an hour. He took about 20 minutes to catch up to you. I just hope they don't arrest you.
Yes, sir. Here's your insurance and everything back. What year is this car?
2021.
2021?
Yeah.
Like I said, all I'm doing is issue a warning citation. Doesn't go on your record. There's no fine, no cost, or anything like that. Okay. What that 175 means, if I'd wrote you a real one, that would have been the minimum it cost you, okay?
Sir, you were too nice.
I bet this car runs good, don't it?
We're going to find out, but much slower. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's 30 miles an hour across the dragon.
Yeah, no, we're not, we know. No one's going to break any records over there.
And then it's, like I said, it's 40 back through here.
Okay.
30, and then once you go on around the curve and everything past where I said, it turns into a 50.
Okay.
Okay?
Well, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Take care.
Thank you.
All right, Hiro-san, you got so lucky. Would have been $175 points and everything else. You just got a warning.
We are here at Walmart to get the lobster tail.
Yep. We don't know if you guys have it, but here, let's show them what's here. 1864. Let's take a look at that. It's wild caught with butter, 2 tails. How many ounces? Net weight 9 ounces. Okay.
I have a very interesting ingredients. You know, Shishito pepper is very popular in the Japanese restaurant or appetizer. They
You
just
guys
fry
saw
up.
Hiro made them, yeah, in the studio,
Just
right?
fried up and salt, or sometimes you put it in saute or grill. It's pretty good.
It's amazing that they have them
I
here.
never expecting this one has a more
And
has it.
$2.97 for a pack.
That's good.
Let's put that in the roll. What do you think, Hiro?
Okay, let's show we can do it.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, a little thick spice, you know. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Wow, what a great trip, huh? I love driving through Tennessee.
Yeah, Tennessee.
Tail of the Dragon, right?
My first time into Tennessee and driving Tail of the Dragon. Of course, that was my first time. Then I have so many time from you about the how nice, exciting Tail of the Dragon. But you know, since I live in Miami, Florida here a long time, you know, this round is all flat. I maybe too much spend time driving the flat run.
Yeah.
If I go to the over the mountain, it's very curving road, right? To me, it's a very, very scary at the time.
Yeah,
Very
it was,
scary.
right?
Yeah, especially Nissan GTR, they have so much power too, right? And also another thing is, of course, the day was very busy day. So many people was on the Tail of the Dragon. So I kind of little slow. A lot of people on the behind. I feel kind of sorry for them, you know. So one time I just pull over, but very difficult to find out the way I can pull over. So, but finally I found a little spaces. Then everybody go there. Then I get a little more relaxed.
Yeah.
But still scary road.
If you guys
Maybe
are
next time we're gonna be better.
guys want a beautiful road to drive, let me tell you what, East Tennessee, Tail of the Dragon, look it up. Here's some little kids from there. 318 turns and 11 miles. That's where a lot of car clubs and motorcycle clubs go there and drive and just spend a whole weekend. It's really a lot of fun. Been going there for many, many years. So happy to finally be able to take Hiro there. And you almost got a ticket, as you guys saw earlier. That was a lot of fun, Hiro.
That was
You were speeding. You're going over the speed
mistake.
limit. But it's so
Yeah.
easy to, right?
I wasn't feel that much speeding, but
They get you for 5 miles an hour. You're gonna get
limit was
stopped.
kind of
Yeah.
lower that area.
And then they saw you in a GTR. I'm like, yeah, that's it. But anyway, today's recipe is all about the Tail of the Dragon. Trying to be a little creative and bring a nice recipe to kind of give the experience of the Tail of the Dragon, Hiro. Let's go through the ingredients.
Yes.
As you guys saw Hiro shopping earlier.
Yeah, we went to the Walmart. Then I got this one, lobster tail.
Okay.
They have
Kind of a
lobster
tail.
tail, and then they have a butter inside.
Right.
Frozen product, of course.
That's for the
Yeah.
tail of the dragon part of it. Okay.
And of course, you know, here we have a barbecue eel. Many restaurant, they call it dragon roll, right? And some restaurant eel on top, some chef do avocado on the top.
Right.
I think back to Nobe, we was doing the avocado on the top.
Right.
And then
Avocado on top.
Shrimp tempura was inside.
Yeah, yeah, that's our
what we
dragon
was
roll.
putting the dragon roll.
Yeah.
So today's idea is this lobster. Probably I'm gonna do tempura.
Okay.
I'm planning to do tempura inside with shishito pepper. I'm going to fry it up also, and avocado.
Okay.
Of course, soy glaze. You know, people call it eel sauce, eel sauce, eel sauce. I must asking about tell you guys. People call it eel sauce, but basically original eel sauce has to be lot of the eel bone inside to make it the thickness, right? But this is doesn't have any ingredients from the eel,
Okay.
so called soy glaze, glazed soy.
Mm.
Yeah, so the sweet one, and the spicy mayo. This is my original recipe, and sriracha. 4-piece butter. The frozen one is very easy to take it out. So
Yeah.
meats, you know, right? Oh, this one's coming out more
Nice.
nicer. So I just cut into the little piece. Yeah, like that. And then, of course, this piece is nice. I can do that skewer things too, but I just make it the same way. I just cut into the small. Put the salt and pepper. It's always a very, very horrible hot already, so
Okay.
it's gonna be done very quick. Okay, tempura flour. Tempura flour I'm going to make. Cold water.
As cold as can be.
Yeah,
So
cold
you're-
water, and sometimes some people put
Put ice.
egg yolk.
Mm.
Would be nice too.
But some people also put ice in here because the thing is, when this batter is very, very cold, what goes into the oil makes it actually crispier and
Yeah.
crunchier.
This
Kind of an old Japanese secret, right, Hiro?
it is not a secret, but you must keep it cold. Okay, so then how thicker you want to? For today's lobster, this is okay. Okay, so you don't need to be everything. Then after you keep in the cooler and put it back, all you know, this stuff melting out. Might you need to add a little more water. First, I'm gonna put in the little flour side, and I just put into tempura butter side. Okay, lobster is ready. Today's shishito pepper I'm gonna put into the inside of the roll. Usually shishito pepper, when you fry it up, you must put several holes, because if you put this one whole thing inside of oil, it's gonna be explosion. So, but anyway, I don't need this part, so I'm gonna cut off this part today, making it easier, right? So making instead of put the hole, I just cut off the edge. I'm gonna put into the oil. It's some might be explosions. Be careful. Just fry it up. All right, shishito is ready. So this is a shishito, as you know, sometimes
Like Russian roulette.
in a few pieces it's very spicy.
Very, very spicy.
Okay, so might be this one's gonna be nice kick. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Now, I'm gonna keep this one here.
Look at this.
and the Shishito pepper. Wow.
Nice. Sounds like such a great combination here.
You like Shishito, I know. And lobster.
We make 2 rolls here, people.
Yeah, we're going to make 2 rolls.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this is good. This one, either before you start to cook, cut to the half first. This is much more, maybe more easier. Okay, I'm gonna use a plastic. So just a little tail here.
Dragon's breath, we call it, Hiro. Yeah, dragon's breath.
All right, so
Let's take a look. Hiro, can I tell you something? They turned out better than I thought. Honestly, you got the dragon head here.
looks like a kid's bread
Right.
with the food.
One huge piece of eel split into 2. 9 ounces of lobster meat, shishito peppers, of course, Hass avocado. Unbelievable, Hiro. Great creation. Well, thank you so much,
Thank you very
Hiro.
much.
I think you did a great job. It's a great time driving the GTR in the mountains. Thanks to Nissan for being one of the channel sponsors. As you see there from the apron. If you guys are interested in this apron, visit Terada Cookware. Link in the bio. You guys can find the same similar apron there. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and Hiro-san, we'll see you soon.
Yeah, see you next time.
Hiro-san, are you ready for the tasting?
Sure.
Tell the Dragon Roll, Hiro, enjoy.
Okay, I'm gonna go get center from center. No,
Okay.
I mean, yeah.
Take a look at that. Hold it up. Let's take a look at that inside. Wow, amazing. Okay, enjoy, Hiro.
Mm.
If you guys have never been to the Tell the Dragon and you love nice roads, that part of the country is so nice. East Tennessee, just right outside Knoxville.
I haven't eaten eel for a long time.
You haven't eaten eel for a long time? Are you enjoying this
It's good.
piece?
Yeah, it's good.
Take a look at the lobster. Not
Shishito is
overdone.
a little kick spicy.
Okay. I love the shishito pepper in there.
Yeah, it's good. This is a good piece.
Yeah, that is a nice piece. The shishito pepper actually offers you a much more of a taste because lobster, very, very moist, but it's not extremely strong in the flavor. Neither is the avocado, but the shishito pepper brings out. Take a look at that. And it's not really spicy either. Really nice. Really good. You guys can go to your own local Walmart. The only thing you need to find is this eel. You guys can probably find it at Asian Mart.
But today's of course dragon, terrible dragon roll.
Yeah.
So I use the eel. But lobster and the shishito roll is already good.
Yeah, exactly. So good already, right? Wow. So haven't had one of these rolls in a long, long time. Hiro really did a great job. And the best thing, the shishito peppers and you bought from Walmart, huh? That was a big surprise. That was great. Well, Hiro-san, thank you so much. You guys liked the video. See you guys soon.